In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Save and Continue Later feature in Jotform. First, log into your Jotform account. Once you're in, you will see all of your forms displayed on the screen. Hover your mouse over the form where you want to enable this setting, then click on Edit Form. You'll now be taken to the Form Builder. At the top of the screen, click on the Settings tab to access your form settings. From here, scroll down and click on Show More Options. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled Save and Continue Later. By default, this setting is disabled. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Enable. Once this is done, the setting will be active for your form. Now click on the Publish tab. Once you're here, copy the form link and open it in a new browser tab. Begin filling out the form as a user would. When you scroll to the bottom, you'll now see a Save button next to the Submit button. This button only appears if the Save and Continue Later setting is enabled. Users can click this button, after which they'll be prompted to sign in to their Jotform account so that their progress can be saved. Once signed in, they'll receive an email and a unique link that allows them to return to the form and continue filling it out later. And that's how you enable the Save and Continue Later feature in Jotform.